Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're already connected to the Wi-Fi network whose password you need. Once done, open Settings, then Network and Internet and tap Wi-Fi. Make sure you can unlock the device with its PIN or biometric, because some steps require authentication. If you don't see advanced options, tap the network name or gear icon to reveal details. From there, look for a QR code or share button. This is the first actionable path to reveal the password. Once the share or QR option appears, tap it and authenticate when the system asks. You must prove you have device access. After authentication, Android shows a QR image and on many builds, the plain text password below it. If you only see the QR, use another phone's camera or a QR scanner to extract the network string. Make sure to read the characters carefully. Capitalization and symbols are significant. Now you have the password to copy or manually enter on another device. If share/QR isn't available, you can get the password from the router admin page or a linked Google account. Smart lock/passwords, when applicable. These require router credentials or account access. For advanced users with developer tools, ADB or a backup export can extract Wi-Fi configs. Only do that on your device. If nothing works, reboot the phone, install pending Android updates, and retry the share workflow. That resolves most UI glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.